Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to export a Replit app to GitHub. All right, let's begin. First, log into your Replit account and open the app you want to export. Click on the Tools and Files section, scroll down to Git, and open Settings. Under GitHub, click Sign In and connect your GitHub account. Authorize Replit when prompted to complete the connection. Next, go to GitHub and create a new repository. Enter a repository name, but do not add a README, gitignore, or license file since Replit will handle the initial project files. Once the repository is created, copy its URL. Return to Replit and paste the repository URL into the remote URL field, then save the settings. Click Create Remote, choose GitHub as the provider, review the repository details, and create the repository. After that, click Push Branch to upload your project files to GitHub. Confirm the action if prompted. Once the process is complete, open GitHub and refresh the repository page to verify that all project files have been uploaded successfully. If you make changes later, simply commit them in Replit and use Sync with Remote to update your GitHub repository. So that's basically how you can export a Replit app to GitHub. That's it for this video. Thanks.